But let us all welcome the most amazing, multi-awarded indie film actor, member of FTCP Film Development Council of the Philippines, former DJ of Radio Natin Nationwide Rojas Oriental Mindoro, former online host at ATC Channel 31, local and international featured model magazine, founder of Kids and Teen Game Show, talent and production manager, performer, entertainer, and event host. Let us all welcome once again, DJ Alvin! May I hear a round of applause, please?
Yes, good afternoon everyone! Parang walang ingay ang naririnig ngayong hapon. Make some noise! Mukhang busog na busog sila, partner. Mukhang hindi ako naingayan sa backstage, mas malakas ang ingay.
Mas malakas pang ating mga models and candidates. I love the energy here.
Sobrang energy sa ating mga audience. Make some noise! Yun naman, di ba? Alam mo, partner, yung palakpak at hiyawan ng mga tao sa atin is sila yung nagbibigay ng lakas ng loob sa atin ngayong hapon.
At syempre, pasalamatan din natin ang nagbigay ng lakas. Thank you so much sa food and also sa ating event organizer. Thank you so much for taking care of us.
Yes, maraming salamat. And of course, nice din natin pasalamatan ang ating mga bisita ngayong hapon. Walang iba, ang ating Net25. Nandiyan po, maraming thank you. Ang ating Pageantology 101. Maraming salamat sa Pageant Trend. Thank you so much. Titas of Pageantry, Entertainment News Portal. Maraming thank you po sa inyong pupunta. Mars France, maraming thank you. Pageant Talk and Europe TV.
And also reminder guys, we are live streaming right now. So thank you din po sa ating mga collaboration na channels and partners, because this is not just an ordinary event, partner, but this is the most awaited and extraordinary event. So excited na excited ako sa ating paparating. Ikaw ba, partner? What are you most excited about sa ating event ngayon?
Siyempre yung uuwi ng corona. O sino unang kukoronahan ng The Manila Stylist Philippines. Ayan, di ba? At syempre, nais kong din pasalamatan ang staff of the Manila Stylist Philippines. And of course, ang ating mga sponsors, maraming thank you sa ating mga hurado, sa ating sounds and lights, and ang ating mga guests, mga parents, at syempre ang ating venue, ang Manila Grand Hotel.
Syempre, huwag din natin kalimutan pasalamatan ang ating naggagandahang fashion designers. Ayan, thank you so much po sa inyong for participating in this event today. So we would like to thank Bigaya Couture, Iyang Modelo, and Ryan Crisologo Creation. So disclaimer lang, we apologize if we pronounce any of the names wrong.
Yes, siyempre thank you din po sa ating mga designers also. Argaliardo, palapakan natin. And of course, Enrica Stolsets and Monting Diwata. Maraming thank you sa inyong pag-join sa
At syempre, hindi pa nagtatapos yan. Nagpapasalamat din po kami to Style by Christian Pacod, Fashionette, and gawa ni siyang modelo ni Yeng. Ayan, mukhang marami tayong supporters dito.
Yes, and makikita nila yung iba't ibang design at obra maestra or maestra ng ating mga fashion designer. At hindi na namin po papatagalin yan, mga madlang people. Pero bagong lahat, nais muna namin ipakilala ang mga nagagabuhan at nagagandahang mga hurado ngayong hapon. Alright, so let's start with Judge number 1. He met our coach under her son. He is also in the panel of jury, the CEO of the Miss Power Catwalk Method, a multi-awarded international coach. He became viral around the world when he appeared on the X Factor Australia, portraying the role of Miss Powers, an androgynous singer and dancer. His recent independent film project, We Don't Dance for Nothing, directed by Stefano Stai, was featured at Cinemalaya and